A lot of you guys reach out to me and ask this question. I've never answered it publicly, but today I am going to be honest with my answers. So you guys have reached out to me and asked what's my favorite flavor in the cheesecakes. To be honest, I cannot choose between the three flavors. But what I can say is, for starters, what I've realized is when customers purchase our cheesecakes, they usually purchase the mini cheesecake bites. And reason being is because they want to try to see what flavors they like and if they need to wrap up on getting the family size or also a 7-inch, or maybe they're thinking about getting a birthday cake. So if you come across our page and you want to try the cheesecakes, you can start with the cheesecake bites, these right here, and if you like it, then you can move up to a family size or also a 7-inch, and maybe you can get an entire 10-inch cake for your birthday. So that's something to think about. And also for starters, they usually go with the strawberry cheesecake right here. Everybody love the strawberry cheesecake. Cannot go wrong with strawberry cheesecakes. And then the crowd's favorite is of course the Roman raisin cheesecake, and my favorite of all is the Biscoff. And just to add, if you are planning any birthday parties or any special events, these bites make the perfect gift.